Have you ever wondered how to fortify your home against unwanted intruders? Today, we delve into the world of home safety, offering you the keys to a more secure abode. Picture this: a home, not just a structure of bricks and mortar, but a sanctuary, a place where you and your loved ones can feel safe and secure. Protection from intruders starts with understanding that a secure home is more than just locked doors and windows. It's about creating layers of protection that deter, detect, and delay potential intruders. Begin with the exterior of the house. Trim back shrubs and trees near windows and entrances. This eliminates potential hiding spots for intruders. Try to maintain a clear line of sight from your home to the street. Next, consider your lighting. A well-lit exterior can discourage potential intruders. Motion sensor lights are especially useful as they surprise and scare off intruders. Doors and windows are the most common entry points for burglars. Reinforce your doors with deadbolt locks and secure your windows with window security film or window locks. A security system is another layer of protection. This can range from a basic alarm system to a comprehensive home security system with cameras, alarms, and professional monitoring. Now, let's talk about the inside of your home. Keep valuable items out of sight from windows to avoid attracting burglars. Use a home safe to store important documents, cash, and other valuable items. Remember, your goal is to make your home less appealing to potential intruders. This can be achieved by making it appear occupied even when you're not home. Use timers to turn lights on and off at different times. Finally, get to know your neighbors. A close-knit community is often a safe community. Neighbors can keep an eye out for each other and report suspicious activity. To summarize, home safety is about creating layers of protection. Start with the exterior of your home, ensuring it's well lit and free of potential hiding spots. Reinforce doors and windows and consider installing a security system. Inside, keep valuables out of sight and use timers to make your home appear occupied. And don't forget the value of a good neighbor. By taking these steps, you're not just securing your home, you're creating a sanctuary, a place where you and your loved ones can feel safe and secure. Protecting your home is a proactive process, and every step you take makes a difference. So empower yourself with these tips and take control of your home's security.